Okay, I'm Matt with Mattbeth Construction, and today we're back into this beautiful bathroom. Den shield is going on the back and the sides. Important thing to note about den shield, and that is the screws. Be sure you use the proper galvanized screws for den shield. Okay. Also, when you're putting in your sheetrock or den shield around your tub, you got to be sure to do this right here, and that is add a 1/4 inch strip to the existing studs. What that'll do is that'll bring the sheetrock down so it gets over the little ledge here for the bathtub. That's extremely important. As you can see, our piping is done here beautifully. We have a little bit of electric to do, and that's what's coming next. Stay tuned for what this bathroom looks like tomorrow.
Mattbeth.